a rainy day in Cleveland, but we got our crossbars from OpenRoad today. FedEx delivered them. All right, so we're gonna open up our crossbars. So OpenRoad sent me the crossbars for the sliding glass cap. They're different than the standard bars, so let's see what these things are like. They sent the wrong ones.
Are you sure?
Yeah, these are the same exact ones. Although these have the T-slot nuts. Let me get the other ones. And I said I would keep these ones because I was going to save them for a project. Let's open these back up. Okay, it's a lot longer. Okay, so that's good. It's easy to install, I guess. So let's measure how much longer they are. It's about 6 inches longer. So the standard bars run about 50.5. These ones are about 56.5, 57, so cool. Okay, so we've got our T-slot nuts. These are gonna go in here like that. And then these black plates are gonna go in here like that. So we'll put 2 in here. Slide those over, get them in place. We don't have to be perfect right now, but let's get another T-slot nut in there. And then we're gonna flip it over. So essentially we just gotta get this guy in there, give her a little twist, and then set that down on top of the nut, or the bolt. Set that on the bolt like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and drop a washer on the top. Maybe. And then put our 13mm lock nut on it. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, we put this in from the top. Over here, these are pretty big. Yeah, you could slide it in from the top and twist. Drop it down. There we go. So now we're just gonna measure our side to side. As those are finger tight, we can move it forward, back, left, right, and we can adjust it. So let's get the other one installed. So I'm gonna be putting a heavy rooftop tent, the OVS Lot-C, whatever. It's a big tent. It's gonna cover everything. I am bringing it about 1 inch from that line there to the front of the bar on the back, and then we are sitting from the edge of the bar to that inside track about 5 3/8 on both sides. And that's gonna be centered the way that I want it for the back. I'm gonna run that one as far forward as I can as well. So when you're measuring, you have to remember when you build this that the rear is thinner. It's not as wide as the front. So when you look at the channel gap, right? So if I hook to that channel, go to the edge of this channel, edge to edge, it's 46 1/8-ish. And then if you do that same thing up here, if you go inside edge, so I'm just hooking right to the inside edge of the channel. To inside edge here, we are sitting at 46 5/8 roughly. So it's a little bit different. So the measurements you use for the back to center are not gonna be the same. These bars are really low profile. Like we have 1 inch of clearance between the bottom of that bar to the roof of the cap, which I love. Okay, so now that the crossbars are installed, let's climb up and take a quick look. There's the bars installed. Really clean design. It's really nice. It's the same design as the other bars, as you can see, but they're just made to mount up here with different hardware, really, and they're about 6 inches longer. Overall, really happy with the product, really happy with the cap. I'm gonna go tonight or tomorrow to get the tent installed. We're gonna take it off the old rack and put it on here. So I'll do another update with that and see how it holds up. But it's solid, it's real solid. Lots of options to mount things, and we're gonna go to town now. We're gonna finish the build. Thank you for watching.